If your Kia Soul's brakes feel soft, noisy, or just don't stop you like they should, don't ignore it. Brakes are your car's most important safety feature. Here's what you need to know. First, check the brake fluid. Low or dirty brake fluid is the most common cause of brake failure. It can happen from leaks or just old fluid. Open the hood, find the brake fluid reservoir, and see if it's at the right level. Next, listen for weird sounds. Squeaking or grinding usually means your brake pads are worn out. Worn pads can't grip the rotors and you lose stopping power fast. Also, pay attention to how the brake pedal feels. If it goes to the floor or feels spongy, you might have air in your brake lines or a problem with the master cylinder. Both are serious and need a mechanic right away. Sometimes your Kia Soul may have a brake light on the dashboard. Don't ignore it. It's warning you there's a problem. Get it checked. Other issues include stuck calipers, bad rotors, or even a faulty ABS system. All of these can make braking dangerous. Bottom line, if your Kia Soul's brakes aren't working right, get them checked now. Your safety, and everyone else's, depends on it.